Christine Reyes, The Kingdom.
Sana maramdaman ko muli.
Gabby Padilla,
Something like that. Sobrang saya ko, Meg.
Nadine Lustre, and the best actress in a supporting role ngayong MMF 50 I see Kaki Chodoro!
Award is Attorney Rochelle Ona.
Sorry, nagdala po ako ng cellphone because I don't want to forget anyone. Thank you, Robbie Domingo. Thank you. Yes. Ako po si Kaki Teodoro. Ako po ay 37 years old. Ako po ay mula sa mundo ng teatro. Nais ko lang po magpakilala sa inyong lahat dahil I am surrounded by people who I've admired and seen on screen and on film. What an honor to be nominated alongside these incredible actors. I am so overwhelmed. Okay, let me just read this. I would like to thank the people who have trusted this musical para dalhin dito po sa MMFF 50 at maraming salamat po MMFF for having us for your 50th year. Maraming salamat Tof de Venecia for producing our musical in 2018 and 2019 and Laxon for directing it. Pepe Jocto, thank you Carlo Mendoza. Ang tatlong Maria ko, Aisel Santos, Naomi Gonzalez. Thank you to my mom for holding down the fort of Diativa nung nag-shoot kami. Sir Noel Ferrer for welcoming me to Team Noel with open arms. Nais ko pong magbigay-pugay sa mga nagsiganap na Nimya na napanood ko. Gigi Dueñas, Kalila Aguilos, Isay Alvarez Senia. Tinulungan po nila ako para ibuo ang Nimya po para sa isang himala. Himalaws! Sa aking mga kaibigan, GD fans, Bestie Jim, Kaki fans, Sir Ricky Lee, salamat sa iyong mga kwento at sa iba't ibang mga babae kay sinulat mo. Sir Vincent De Jesus, kay sarap mabuhay sa mundo na may musika mo. Salamat Himala! Salamat muli Sir Ricky Lee, Ishmael Bernal, Nora Honor. Himala is the miracle that keeps on giving hanggang ngayon. Salamat po. Suportahan po natin ang isang himala. Suportahan po natin ang lahat ng mga pelikula. Salamat po muli MMFF 50. Mabuhay ang teatrong Pilipino. At mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
And that was Miss Kaki Chodoro. What a heartfelt speech. I felt it so much. Congratulations to our MMFF Best Supporting Actress.
Kaki Teodoro mula sa mundo ng teatro at pelikula.
Ona.
Merry Christmas. First MMFF ko po to kasi tagal ko na sa MMFF. So I'd like to thank the jurors for this honor and to our producers, Creation, Unitel, Straight Shooter, CMB, and Capital Films, our creative team, our production team, our crew, lahat ng kasama namin for 16 days straight shoot sa shooting gallery, sa malamig na studio na mukhang mainit. And to our surrogate parents, na mas bata sa akin, Madonna Tarayo and Pepe Joc. And also our director, thank you so much for believing in us. I'll keep it short. And to Sir Ricky, a mentor, a friend, a collaborator, thank you for being with this productions since 2003 nung theater play pa siya, musical. Until now, Sir Ricky, we love you with all our... If I had two hearts, I would love you just the same. Maybe twice as much. And last and not the least, my Himaloves. The cast na mas clingy pa po sa glue. And I share this with you. And thank you, Merry Christmas, Mama. Yes, I love you. Thank you, everyone, and Merry Christmas.
Congratulations, Mr. Vincent De Jesus. The Vincent De Jesus, truly a master of his own craft. Grabe. And we are truly delighted with everybody's presence tonight with great talent, of course.
That is true, including our Himaloves right here.
Yes.
At tulad na lamang ito ang masusunod nating presenters who are also excellent in their...
De Jesus and Ricky Lee, Isang Himala. Magkabilaan, interpreted by Zephanie and April. Original words and music by Joey Ayala and Ralph De La Puente. Additional music by Antonio Rodriguez. Additional lyrics by April, The Kingdom. Darkness Calls, interpreted and composed by Sebastian Arsani, Copa. Hahamakin ang lahat, interpreted and composed by
And the Best Original Theme Song Award. And the Best Original Theme Song Award goes to... Ang Himala ay Nasa Puso by Vincent De Jesus and Ricky Lee. Isang Himala.
To present the award is Miss Gomez Jimenez.
Wala yung mapa, no? Sa kanya.
Thank you, Creation, and UNG, and Juan Carlos, of course, and his collaborators. Maraming salamat. Ang Himalaya na sa puso ng tama. Sir Ricky, para sa iyo to.